Hello, bro. Latif Ferreman. How you doing? I'm just gonna try to fix some music. Maybe something just quiet and in the background. Relaxing background. Glad to hear, bro. Nice. Let me just see. Take 2 hours. Good luck for thank you, bro. As to you as well. Hopefully today we get some good trades. Yeah, okay. I have no idea what music to. Chill music. Maybe this is good enough. Okay, let's see. I took shorts pre-market. I haven't even watched what is happening, to be honest. I'm gonna see market opens in 11 minutes. I haven't even watched what is happening. You are done for. Oh, damn. Nice, bro. That's good. Let me remove all of this. What's the bias for today? Yeah, I'm just gonna fix. Is the music too loud before I start? Should I lower the volume? Okay, everything looks good here. All right. What's happening today then in the market? Okay, nice. Bias for today. So we shifted lower after profit takes here. This day is aligning with this one. I still want to be a buyer, maybe down here. Where are we at price? Price, we're exactly in this area. So yesterday I failed to take buys here in this zone. We tried to take a buy, but we got stopped out. However, we got several other trades. But same idea today. I'm still bullish. However, we shifted lower on the bias, on the profile. Oi, oi, oi. Hello, Aden. What's good, bro? That's your name, right? Aden is the best in the whole world. Ciao a tutti. What the heck? Hello, bro. Alden. All right, Alden. Nice. So we have Alex, we have Alden, and we have It's Marxus. Maybe Mark. Hello, Rob. Rob the Ghost Pro. I guess your name is Rob. Hello. Hello, everybody. Was a good day today. Good day yesterday. We got, what was it? 8 trades, 6 wins, and 1 loss, 1 break even. Let me just see pre-market. What's happening here? B-shape profile. Are you You mean on the daily volume profile, like on the left side? I want to mark out all of this area because I want to see. What's that? Yes. Oh, yeah. We got a shift lower, and we have a B-shaped profile. So we clearly reacted from point of control on the composition profile. Shifted lower now. So yeah, let's see what happens. To be honest, it's maybe we even get a revisit lower. We got FOMCs today also. Hello, I also finally managed to join Mall. Hello, Martin. Nice, bro, nice. Low volume node just below. Yeah. This area. Yeah, let's see what happens. Let me know if the music is too loud. I'm still waiting for a decent. I'm still waiting for a decent. For today, about 600. Nice, bro. It's good. I'm practicing to move from price action. Okay, yeah, that's super nice. Trust me, a whole new world will open for you. Price action is purely. I traded it before. It's like you're trading it blindly. After I've learned this, it was like, why did I even bother doing price action only? Like I missed the whole picture because price action is just the results of volume. With volume, you can explain why price did something. Hello, brother. Okay, we got market open in 6 minutes. Hello, brother Ryan. Glad to have you guys join. Same. 2 years I was break-even trader. Yeah, I felt a lot. Trust me, also. Or you've been a break-even trader at least. I just lost. I've managed to get my first payout this year. So, yeah. Usually I like the opening, see the manipulation and volume profile and big trades helps. Yeah, I agree. It's good, bro. Hopefully we get a good day like yesterday. But just a reminder, don't take... I would just try to say my ideas, but you don't have to... There's no data backed. I haven't backtested any of the ideas, so... Wait, let me just... turn this music a bit lower. Okay, let's do this. Yeah, so don't take my trades. That's what I'm trying to say. I most likely will lose. Still practicing. For entries, do you use low volume node or delta profile? And where do we use the low volume node? For entries, do you use low volume node or delta profile? Delta low volume nodes, I don't usually... Yeah, if we tap into it, I wait for a reaction on the big trades. I don't just blind like take it directly when we hit it. And Delta profile, same there. That's just a zone. I want to see sellers confirming the idea or buyers. For example, if we have this zone up here, when price comes up into this significant delta level, I don't just take it directly here. I want to see sellers confirm the idea, but by aggressively entering the market, for example. So, yeah. Do you use imbalance tracker indicator? No. I'm trying to analyze the market like Fabio does. So purely by just analyzing big trades in important zones. But no, I don't use that. I'm gonna be honest with you guys today. So we reacted from this point of control and we shifted lower. I don't know what. Because on the long term, we reacted from composition down here. Now we trade up. I assume we will come up to test value area high, but this shift, maybe we will find buyers here and then we push up. But I don't know. My bias is kind of weird. I don't know what to. I think I'm leaning towards being bullish, even if we shifted lower. It could be just a retracement. Do you use IVB? Nah, not really. I think I want to be a buyer still in this zone. Because from what I can see, this looks like a range. And since it's a B shape, this one, maybe sellers will start fading here. So I still want to be a buyer and target up. Let's see. Market is open. Good morning, bro. Sleep sheep. What's your name? I like. What's your real name? Or should I call you just sleep sheep? I feel like I want to know your guy's name because it's some of the names are. I can't even pronounce some stuff. Sheep is fine. Okay. As you wish, bro. got this low volume node, value area low. I don't know. Wait, we have FOMC today. Oi, oi, oi. If I remember correct, because I think that every time we have FOMC, the market is always just chopping and ranging throughout the day. So maybe the play here is to fade the high. So the highs and just play the range. Let's also mark out since it's a range. Here is one big aggression zone. However, it's inside value area, so it's minutes, so it doesn't affect the market. It's not oh, okay. I didn't realize we had different. Wait, let me mark out these. Okay, I got my zones. Look, reaction at previous day value area high. Yeah. Okay, it's the same here. Okay, it's all the same. I don't know if Martin Morley is listening, but I guess this would be the double distribution play, right? So ping pong between these zones. Yeah, it looks pretty slow. Yeah. Okay, nice. More light. I try to, from what we talked about, I'm gonna try to implement it moving forward. So we have our ping pong zones, but that's basically value area high and low. If you just take this, okay, maybe not. Ah, almost. Yeah, it's good. I like it. Look how we react. Like right now. This zone moving up. Let's see if we can get some ping pong movements here. Just a couple of big trades. It's the first 5 million, not promising day. Let's see. It's fine. It doesn't. We can still make money. We just have to use what we see. I think I'm gonna play a range. Oh shit! I haven't even gotten my thing up. Deep effort, bro. Yeah. I don't see anything. Maybe if we come lower, tap into this zone, and then we got the deep effort print, I will take something. But I think the potential to visit 255. Which year is that? Ah, you mean up? So the upper value area high, yes. Yeah, let's see. So we essentially, yeah, we play with between these distributions. Let's see. Your screen, but I think that your screen resolution is low. Why? Wait, let me see. Screen resolution. I have a same like I had yesterday. I haven't changed anything. Maybe the quality you have to. I think you can play it in. Yeah, you should be able to have it in HD. I think he means the bitrate of your stream platform is low. What the heck? But I haven't changed anything. Wait, let me see. I have my bitrate same. It's 6,000. Stream. No, I don't know, man. I haven't changed anything. Like, is it doable? You guys can still see what I like the value high. Not gonna lie. Yeah, let's see. Okay, nice. As long as it works, like, it, yeah. That's weird though. I don't know why it. Yeah, yes, I'm watching 1004. It's good. Yeah, I also have it here on my PC or on my laptop, and for me the quality is good. Maybe let me see. We can take it later. It's fine. Okay, let's see. Focus on the trades. You, yeah, correct. Okay, let's watch what's happening. Can remove this. Sellers pushing, no results. Buyers pushing, no results. So here we have the fight. We also have here a zone. Yeah. And we are at point control from this day. We are opening inside the same value area. Yeah, I think maybe just waiting till we reach this side or the upper path. But the thing is, we are right now in a high volume node. This may be just a boring day and nothing will happen. If we don't break the low with volume, I guess we will range between yesterday's value area. Yeah. I'm gonna turn off this. I would like to enter from 25,640. Where is it? Down here. Yeah. To 25 short, but we 25,640 to 25, but we probably consider for a buy, then go start go down. Yeah. Let's see. For me today, we are not going anywhere. See you on Monday. Okay, bro. See ya. Okay. Right now we are at weekly low volume area. If we can hold this with some good bullish deep trades, I will take a trade. Okay, bro. Good luck. Hope it goes well. All I can see right now is just... Oh, shit. Okay, so we reacted from this high significant delta level. Damn. Yeah, if somebody catch that shit, props to you, bro. Value area low, significant delta level. We got the explosion up. Back to point of control. Okay, buddy. Yeah. Yeah, not clear at the moment. I agree. We just have to wait. Most likely now the move will go, and we have missed it. That's typical. Because I don't want to take a trade basically in the middle of everything. Yeah. And now we're going. We got all of these trap buyers. We push above. Then we got these sellers next zone. If we break above this shit. Yeah. Okay, guys. I think that was the trade. Fucking hell. Oh. If somebody catch this move, good for you, bro. Whoever did that. Oh, you're in. Damn, bro. Good. Nice. Where did you catch it from? I was watching here for something, maybe trapped sellers and so on, but as you saw, in 1 second we flew up here. So no trade from me. Just gotta wait for another setup, that's all. Only 20 after open. Yeah. I did to poke. Nice scalp, bro. I got value area low, now out. Oi, oi, oi. Good job, guys. Very nice. 25,700. Ah, you took it from here. Good trade, bro. You made quite good money here. Actually. Okay. Damn, this music is... Okay. Value area high. Previous day. Let's see what happens here. Trap sell buyers. Can we get something? I want to see some sellers step in here. I'm gonna try something here. But I want to see something from the sellers. And now I'm trying to catch, like Fabio says, a car. So this could be a stupid trade, but if somebody took on these traps buyers, a rotation back to point of control, maybe. Let me see where point of control is. Point of control is down here, all the way down here. Okay, I want to see something here. I want to see some sell aggression pop in, or these buyers getting trapped before I take anything. So a rotation back to point of control. What is my deep? Retouched one time. reaction. Second time. Let's see if we get something. How much is your 50? Yeah, it's on 50 now. Can we get something? A rotation back. I want to see on Delta profile something. Can't see any. I only see that these buyers try to push aggressively. No results. I will look for a squeeze if you take the high. All right, all right. I'm trying to see if we get the rotation back to point of control. But I want to see some sellers aggressively step in. Before that. Because if is point of control still here at the lower part? Okay, yeah, so point of control is here. Just a quick scalp lower. Down here. Maybe this could be a play here. Traps buyers here. So what there? Down to what? Done for today. Now watching live stream online only. I'm just longing ES here. All right. I got stopped out, by the way. I took this trade. I was betting on these trapped buyers. We got the reaction. It's fine. Minus 25. All right, let's see. Let's see if we get. I'm in. You guys are long. Let's see if it goes much higher. I took one loss for today. Damn, whoever said a stop buy above this, you're in profit now. Okay, that's the first zone. I'm gonna watch the next zone. Just a quick motivation. Is your yeah, bro? Everything is free. Discord is free. You can join, ask questions, do. Just a quick motivation for this trade. So, trap buyers, retest here, but this buy aggression with results should have indicated that maybe the idea wasn't so good. And just a quick rotation back, but we got stopped out. Stop already break even. Nice, bro. I'm looking at the daily profiles, and as you can see, we were at value area high at this point, and also a high volume node. And this was, if aggressive sellers would have participated here, that would be a better confirmation. But yeah, on to the next one. Yeah, exactly. Don't you need to wait for sellers on the last step? Exactly. That was the only thing that was missing, but I wanted to test it to see for a rotation lower. That's the thing. I don't have statistics on stuff. That's why I'm just trying out everything. But negative 25, it's fine. Absorbing sellers seems like going higher. Yes. But yes, Musasan. Or Musan. Good point, bro. That was the last puzzle beat. Your screen is so much on the left. Can you move to the right? Do you mean on how you mean on this? Okay. Next defense zone are up here for me to take a short. Now we are still in value area high. And we are at a low volume node on the bigger in this zone. Pretty much. Yeah. So we just tapped into the low volume node, some aggressive sellers entering. Yeah. Aggressive sellers entering here, tap into low volume node. Is this the rotation lower we will get? Oh yeah, now this is a trick. Who have watched, I think it was Bootcamp Day 8. So watch this. Now we're moving up. This is all, so this move created this this swing. If I take a short from here, Fabio says it's not like it could be good, but it's not ideal because we have to break structure if you want it to be a triple A setup. Because right now this could just be a still, we can still be trending. Maybe we find the buyers here and we push higher. So it's not always volume, it's also structure, market and price action basically. So if we break lower, then I can look for a short maybe if the point of control isn't. No, it's still there. Majority of the volume is still lower. I'm interested in taking a short. The question is when to take it. So this is the thing, timing, which I have quite a lot of issues with. Oi, 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 look at this. Deep trades plotted perfectly. If you took this trade on the retest of this aggression, you're in good profits now. Maybe we can get a better entry. Shorts incoming. Exactly. Fabio mentioned several times in his video that to combine price action and order flow. Exactly. This is what I'm doing right now. So I don't want to take a short. Sure, you could have made money here, but I'm watching this level. So we have both volume and price action confirmed. That we want to go lower. So this could just be the retracement move. So we are still trending. So if we get a push higher and then break this, then yeah. How did you change the color of the profile template? Can't find it anywhere. Let me see. Go to plot settings, then show settings, and then color, and here fix vol color. Yeah. Okay, now we have some trapped sellers here. So like we said, this could just be retracement. This platform makes hard. Yeah, I agree. This platform, and you can't even make so annotations that good. Like I want to be able to draw and mark out fast, but yeah, it's not the strongest side of Deepcharts. Okay, look at this. Look at this zone. Damn. Perfect. Here we have a zone also. Yeah, let's watch just what happens. Still in value area high. This looks like a great place to take a short. Like I move down to POC. Let's clean it up. Damn, this low volume node on the daily profiles, perfect reaction. I wish I had some statistics on how many times this works, because then this could be a good trade, like a quick scalp. I enter short on top. Should I close? Damn. I'm not gonna say, bro. I don't know. Don't ask me. I don't control the market, bro. No idea if you should close or keep it, or if you risked. If this was your risk, and you're in profit 1 to 3 now, seems like a good close for me. Or if you want to take the hero, like Fabio says, then yeah. But that's up to you, bro. POC has risen. Look where POC is right now. But on this range, it's not. On the daily profile, it's here. Yeah, majority of the volume is down here. Do we broke value area high to the short? We go down to value area low. Let's see. If there's anything I want you guys to take from this, is that we marked out the zones before they happen, before price comes there, and you see reaction, reaction, small reaction. So the zones are valid. The only thing I'm trying to work on is timing. That's it. If you look daily, do we broke the value area high to show we go down to value area low? Yeah, let's see. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see if we break this level. Then we're kind of close to POC. It's down here. But I guess we can guess. I can get a small scalp. But this, yeah, it seems like this was the best entry at the moment. Try delta volume bars. Helps a lot for me to validate moves. Real breakouts. Delta volume bars. Do you mean from what he showed on what is it called? It's something. He showed it something that other Italian guy had created. Like you can see delta levels on the bars. I found that super interesting, to be honest. But quite a lot of information, to be honest. I feel like you see delta levels, like how they absorb on left up corner candlesticks and delta volume profiles. Wait, what the fuck? Oh, I didn't know. What the heck? Then you can see buy aggression, sell aggression. Damn. Wait, this is good shit, bro. Wait, what? Damn, you can actually see. Look at this sell aggression. Okay, but thank you, bro. Good advice. I actually didn't know they had. I thought you meant the other thing. For other platforms, you have to have Order Lab, which is very expensive to have that. Okay, let's see. Stop, sell here. Or a limit sell, what's it called? For a scalp lower would be maybe something. I wanna see pocket still down there. Reload on this level, sell aggression entering, trap buyers. Now we have some trap sellers down here. I'm looking at this significant level. It's the highest level. Wait, let me see something. Maybe something like this. Down to poke. 2 to 1. But in that case, we invalidate all of these sellers there. What are the new color bars? Is this delta volume profile bars? Delta volume bars. So basically, you can see aggression in each candle. It's super interesting. I want to watch it and study it later. Actually, I didn't even know we had it. Value low in comment. Damn, I'm having great. I'm having guest come home. Haven't taken. Okay. Took short from value area high to value. Nice, bro. I was waiting for maybe a retest here. Here we had another opportunity. Damn, I missed quite a lot, to be honest. Look at this. This could have been, but I was waiting for we till we break this. Same short from value area high. Nice, guys. TP hit, shorted on the top, saw that the delta 1 bar was fading from the bars on the top, took the short trade after accept sell trade. Nice, done for the day. It's choppy. Good job, guys. Once we break value area low or value area head, the target is almost clear. Just can take stop loss to be at POC. Look, it was a perfect trade, guys, if you took it from up here. But it's good. We identified the zones perfectly. Price came up. Now the timing on my part maybe is quite shit, but I guess you guys got paid, so it's something. Good job, guys. You're not made for scalping, brother. Yeah, that's why I'm practicing. Where did you guys enter from? It's a work in progress, man. Yes, correct. Take your time. Yes, that's what I'm doing. This is purely practicing. Short at the top. Did you guys enter from this? Me not, but casino is always open. If it worked today, we'll work tomorrow. Damn. Nice. You guys took it all the way from here. 25,740. Oh, you took it from this. Yes, this was a good trade. The retest on this aggression, and we also have this. Nice, guys. Good job. Not there, but next on big trade would have been my entry. We broke very. It's good, guys. Well done. Lower to 40, there are trapped buyers. Oi, oi, oi. Okay, now I see. Damn, guys. I felt like yesterday I took more. I tried to take more trades. Today I'm more conservative because it's choppy and I don't want to be flicked out. Or what's it called? That's good. But then it means that it all works. Like the zones are valid and I'm happy with that. Because the timing, that's just pressing the button, I guess. But getting the zones, I think that's the hard part. You use CVD to. That's cool. Everyone use so much different stuff. One saw it, the trap sellers, the other CVD. Backtest this strategy and you will see. Yeah, you are doing great job. People don't understand how hard it is to trade, stream, comment, etc. at the same time. Anyone who's critical can't do it. Appreciate it. Yeah, I know it's. I can feel it. Like you try to monitor the stream while also trading. It's. I purely use zone and battle of orders. Well done, bro. Today is ranging as fuck. Yeah. But it's fine. Like I'm gonna be honest, guys. I'm more focused on just getting the zones right. And as you can see, it's working. So timing is the last part, not my stronger side. But yeah, that's the last thing. So when I found something that statistically is providing me good results on the timing, I'm just gonna play off that, and in that case, I won't miss trades like these. Or maybe I would take this trade like Mol took. I was watching this level, trapped sellers. So if we broke below, but I didn't like that we didn't break below this fully. Instead, we had aggressive buyers pushing price up. But yeah, this could have been a good trade. This was a good trade, as you can see, and look at the movement. Back to POC. Also, bias was short for me, and that top was, yeah, exactly. Great marking. Charting before execution, great job now. Just chilling and vibing. Well done. Yes, bro. Very nice. True, I will also love to see the break. Yeah, that was the only thing I was really conservative for. But yes, this trade looked super good. Because I like that we were in value area high in the current and previous days session. If I use, no, you use TPO on deep shot, does it plot the delta? You use TPO on deep chart, does it plot the delta on the left side like volume profile? TPO. What the fuck was? Damn, this TPO. Can you just give me a quick? What does that mean? I forgot. I don't know these English terms. Like I'm not. TPO. I've heard it like 1,000 times. How can I? I just got brain freeze. I forgot what it's. Time-based volume profile. Oh, you mean market profile? Time-based. Okay. I don't know. We have pure normal volume. TPO. What the fuck? Can somebody answer him? I got a brain freeze. I like that you're getting better, trying to understand it as well as possible. You're able to execute a lot during. Yes, thank you, bro. Is correct. Market profile. I don't use market profile, and I don't know. Somebody that has used the market profile on Deepcharts, does it show? I think it should show delta profiles, maybe. Two, those are just marks open. Yeah, it's chart type or type where the music is on. Is it low? Is it that low? You can't hear it. More says TPO doesn't have it. It marks the 1 hour range. I guess there's your answer. Give similar information as volume profile, but it's based on another parameter. Yes, it's about how long time spends in an area, in a level, price, or what's called. I remember it as market profile, not TPO. Ugh. But damn, I feel like you guys had a good day. I don't know. Somebody catch this move. Look at this plot. You take the entry, or maybe this was a stop out. Yeah, I think. And this is the second trade to take. And this was the third one. All right, nice. Yeah, done for the day. Just gonna do some back testing. Nice, bro. I like how we planned beforehand what we anticipated, and stuff happened pretty much perfectly. We got the move up from here. We got the move from the low volume node, reaction, retest, push. I'm just gonna try. I have to really be focused on trying to catch these moves moving forward. You can change it on Deepcharts all the time. I studied it for a bit, but Volume Pro gave same from without time. 5 minutes. It's 40 range short, so no time frame. It's, yeah, 40 range. This move back to poke was super good. Holy shit. It's fine. I'm happy with it, to be honest. How long do you keep the value areas from pre-market on the screen since value is changed? Well, in this case, we are just chopping. This is the range. So if I started here and I see that we're still ranging, I would just extend it. But if we are in a pre-market where we have, I don't know, we break above, retest, then I would just remove it. I can't give you an answer. You just adapt to what the market does. That's it. Big trades filter is 50. On this case, right now it's 40. Thanks. Was it for somebody? I don't know. Me personally, I keep the pre-market profile until 15 20 minutes after opening, then I scale it to pre-sale. Yeah, that could also work, I think. Why not? Sounds reasonable. You just plot it and replot it based on what you get. Because if you get an explosion up directly on market open, there's no point in having the ranging. If we plotted this range prior to market, there's no point to having it if we exploded above. But yeah, you can also do like tan panset, 15 20 minutes after market open. Can you delete it or extend it or so on? Okay, what are we doing now? We're at point of control of previous day and today's session. Yeah. Let's see. Beautiful stream, by the way. I believe 90% of us still learn in order flow. Yes. Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. Yeah. I'm really happy with after Fabio's mentorship. I went through his stuff like 3 times. And I realized that, sure, what is my prior thing that I need to learn? That's to identify important levels, zones, and so on. That's number one. The second thing is timing. So that will be something that will come with time. So I'm not even bothered about it right now. I'm not focused on making money, to be honest, at the moment. Just trying to apply what I've learned and see how it goes and get some data on it. Money comes with time. That's the right spirit, yes. And I don't know how long I will be streaming, to be honest. This is pretty much just for being able. This is like my journal. So when it comes one day where I don't, how can I say it? I won't stream forever. That's for sure. That's definitely for sure. No. As soon as I learn what I need to learn, I'm gonna focus purely on trading, and that's it. Fabio did this for 10 years. We cannot pretend to be at his level after some days of. Yes, that's true. Exactly. One thing I like with Fabio is that he doesn't, like he said, he's only gonna do this boot camp this time and that's it. Maybe he will do something more along the line. But that guy is making money trading, not from YouTube or other shit. He's purely making money from trading. So that's his prio. So why would I'm trying to how do you say it in English? Accomplish the same thing then. During learning it's okay, but when you start making either props or personal, it will take out to either props of personal, it will take out a lot to stream. Yes. How is deep effort indicator on the photo? It's very good, bro. You saw this, look at this trade. From here, from this top to POC, perfect. Well, we appreciate the streams while they last. I appreciate you guys also. Yeah, that's true. It's marks us. I'm trying to make money trading, not on YouTube. YouTube is just a journal, so that's why. He has course of around 2,300 on Murphy's education. That's like Andreas and Fabius and other insiders like classes too. Yeah, isn't that from Word Class? I feel like that's purely from that's Andreas' idea. He's just milking Fabio of his success. That's how I personally feel about it. Because Fabio makes money trade. Maybe try and focus on one of his setup instead of all of them each session until you master it. Then move on to the next one. Yes, that's the plan. Is I just want to get a feel for what I like and what fits me. Because right now, I'm just testing stuff out, and when I see like, oh yeah, my personality is good when it comes to maybe, I don't know, These trades I've failed so many times on. So yeah, but maybe it's like yesterday we had good trades that I feel like they fit me. I don't know how to explain it. Is the deep effort indicator show up in real time or after the fact? It shows up in real time. Like I think it plotted here. The second this it plotted like directly, and then we get it. So in real time. Is Morpheus also the order flow? Yeah, I think so. Are you using deep effort indicate for your entries? Kinda. Yeah, or yeah, I am, but I'm just watching how it acts and how good it is. Boxes show up in real time. Yeah, I am using it, but yeah, I know what you mean. You find these setups that fit you as a trade. Correct. Exactly. Like today, if I wanted, I could take this short, but I want to know. I want to try out more stuff, and I'm not so focused on making money right now. So I'm just yeah, you understand. If I were you, I would just use text at big trade. Helps a lot. I've actually asked in the community about this, and from what I've seen, I know what you mean. You can get the perspective of how big a trade is, and you know more like how strong the aggressive order is. However, I think Fabio answered it in the Discord on that in the VIP community that it takes away your attention to other stuff. You will just be like you will get biased quite quickly. But I understand what you mean. For example, if we see a big, say 1,000 trades, I don't know, 1,000 trades from buyers here, I would just be focused on that and like, okay, on the retest, I'm gonna take a buy and then I get shit on. But yeah, I understand what you mean. It's true. You can also use it. Because then you can also anticipate if you know that we have 1,000 say sellers here, and if we trade above it, well then damn, most likely we will get a big squeeze because yes, can be, yes. Time is 16:36. I've only taken one trade today, and yeah, I think I'm gonna try to take trades off stream because, like one guy said, it's quite hard to be in flow with the market whilst you're streaming because you have to answer questions and make sure that the screen is visible. Like I can't pan over here and do this stuff because then nobody sees anything. It's quite. So I'm also new to streaming, so I might take trades off stream, but you will see the trades on my track record if I do anything. What trade you took? So I took this trade. Now that I think about it, we had some aggressive sellers here. Also. Value area high, I think it was at the moment, and we got this sell aggression that's significant. We could see it from the delta level. Trapped buyers on top. On this sell, on this move, I took a retest of the trapped buyers. My bad, up here. Aiming for POC. But then we got stopped out. And up here, we tapped into a low volume node. Got this reaction, traps aggressive sellers, good reaction, push lower, and so on. I only took this trade, nothing more. And I lost $25. So as you can see, I'm not risking a lot and I'm not winning a lot when I take trades. Yeah. Do you use instant funding account? No, I founded this account myself. You have to. I made 3K with it. So, but you have to make 1.5K each day. But I just did it slowly, like 500, 700, 500. Not so I don't use that instant funding account. And I got a deal for it actually like $5 for one Top Step account. And then I just traded it. Bro, are you profitable? Hell no. Or what do you mean by profitable? I got in a payout. Nah, I'm not profitable. Why would I lie like I'm on the way, perhaps hopefully to become profitable. One thing I am is discipline. That's for sure. But no. At the moment, no, I'm not profitable. I don't know, what do you count as profitable? Isn't it like 1 year of profitability? You make money consistently. I don't think you can say that. I don't. Or what is the limit? Hopefully, we all are. Yes. That's basically more than halfway there. Yeah. Discipline is. Yeah. But yeah, I feel like I'm reaching it pretty fast now. Or like I'm reaching my goals super fast. Before I could have lost an account in 1 day because of emotional. For example, I got stopped out here, I get pissed off, I re-enter, I get stopped out here again, re-enter, and then you just say like fuck it, go all in, and there's your account. But yeah. So trust me, been there, done that. But for the first time, I managed to keep an account for more than, what is it? 2 months? 3 months? That wasn't my. Oh yeah, it was. I haven't really traded also. Like it was when I founded this account. Like I really took it slow. Okay, maybe we can get something here, and this will most likely be the last trade of today since it's 16:42. I think I'm gonna. Let's see if we come back here. Okay, bro, what do you think? Is your system going to make you consistent? I actually believe it will make me profitable and consistent. Because you can rewatch my session yesterday and today. I spot the zones pretty good, like spot on. Obviously, that's thanks to Fabio's teachings and this deep in this platform. But the only issue I have is timing. That's really the only thing I have left. I feel like. Obviously, I have some confusion in other stuff also, but I feel like I've gotten quite a lot along. How do you say? I've improved a lot. So, how much you up to date? I'm not up, bro. I'm negative $25. This was the first idea. That no react. I couldn't take it because it was super fast. We just exploded up to poke. Here was my first trade. Here was the second idea, but I didn't take it because I felt like we need to break this before I can take it. And here was the last trade that I missed. How much backtesting did you do? Also, how much did you make today? I have lost $25 today. Backtesting, I have forward testing the things I have learned. So not really back tested. So, but yeah, I have backtested 3 years of data on one of the models. If I see it, I would execute it without hesitation, but I haven't seen it today or any of these days. But yeah, I do like that. I do it like that. I plot the levels, whether it's a delta, low one, etc. And my timing is the delta candle with the big trades acceptance. Bro, Mark, the thing, what you showed me was, I didn't even know they had it. So in this, you took this trade, right? Was it? You saw this aggression from buyers, or? And you saw this, and you took the trade? Was that your trade? I've had some people wrote, or somebody wrote it, I think. Second. Do you mean second? Big trade acceptance. We have this big trades that got accepted, price move lower. Then we have this. Was it that one? Nah, on top. So solve the wick with negative delta. Oh, you mean this one? After negative delta, accepted big trades. Okay, damn, bro. That's some good shit. Well done, bro. That's interesting. I want to, if you're gonna be here, yes, after the big trade with result, enter and close on the candle. That's actually pretty valid. I was super hesitant to take this, like really hesitant, because I remember what he set up from his bootcamp. Like best AAA setup is if we break below this and then we get the trade here. But I know what you. Okay, nice. More took this trade. Trap buyers on the top. We had quite a lot of stuff to enter from here. But my bias is short. It was already above yesterday's value area and plotted the value and also near big. Exactly. Yeah. I want to take a short in this zone also, but I missed the timing. Happens. But I'm glad that it worked. Very good. I have my last exams after New Year, and I have a lot to think about. Like I have, hopefully I pass that, and I'm done with my master's degree, and then I just have to write my master thesis, and then I can like fully focus on trading. But yeah, so I have a lot at the moment. So hopefully after January 5th, 15, then I'm fully focused on trading. What do you study? I am pursuing master degree in computer and system science, so machine learning, data analyst, data engineering, all of that above. Yeah. Which which university do you study? I'm studying. Oh shit! If I say it, I feel like people might. um, I don't know, bro. Maybe if you can write me personally, then I can say it. You will be able to use it well in trading for sure. Well, maybe algorithmic trade. You can you can create an AI, or you can back. I know I can. I know how to use Python, and I can backtest stuff, but it's super hard to backtest discretionary trading. It's not the same as algo. Now you're live testing. Yes, yes, I'm live testing. Just trying out stuff, plotting zones, seeing how it reacts, and yeah. Don't need to say it. Totally okay. Okay, nice. I think I will maybe continue trading later around FOMC minutes if we even get something big from that. So when the volume really kicks in. Do a video and explain your trading model. Yes, as soon as I found something that fits me good, because I'm testing a lot of stuff and quite a lot works. Stuff like it works, but I have to find something that fits me. Studying and trading at the same time is fucking. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Trust me. That shit takes a lot of time. And on your mentality. Trust me, it's super. So, and I'm also trying to stream at the same time. It's like it's maybe I took on too much. I like trading, streaming, studying. Yeah. Gonna bounce. Have a good. All right, bro. Have a good day, you too. Now you're using which trading model of Fabio? I'm using nothing at the moment. Just maybe. Oh, you mean like in general? Oh, um, trend model, momentum model, breakout retest model, mean reverting model. Quite a lot. Man, I was long and it just stopped me out and then went back up. Now back to break even for the day. It's fine, bro. maybe maybe call it today. Ping pong still holding. Nice to see. Yeah, agree, bro. Take reversal. Let's see what happens. If I'm gonna take a reversal, this was the zone that I initially marked out. I liked this one. However, maybe, and then we have this zone. Let's see. Take what the market gives you. Exactly. Yeah. True. How low volume node affect price? Low volume node is imbalances. So market makers, price usually rebalance them before continuing. So what price does is like here on this top, we have this low volume node. If you watch on the left side, on the volume profile from the dailies, price reacted perfectly up here, filled it pretty much, reacted back lower. But it could also sometimes price trades through them quickly, super fast, to fill them all. But in short, it's an imbalance that get rebalanced. So okay. I want to see something. Maybe we reach back into this zone or we get something here. We are at value area high on current day's profile and as well on previous day session. So what can happen here? We're again in a zone that's interesting. Maybe we can get the move back to poke, but yeah, let's see. Now you draw volume on whole consolidation zone. Yeah, I want all the information, not just half of it. Give me everything, so I can get these significant levels. Okay, now this is. Did you took any trade? Yeah, I took one trade. A short here got stopped out. Then we got our next opportunity here and our third opportunity here. I missed those. However, we are now in interesting zone. Value area high, value area high. We broke above this like it was nothing. However, if we break back, reload level, continue lower. I want to see Here is one defense. Next defense from sellers. Oi, oi, oi. Perfect touch. Aggressive sellers entering. Let's see. That's crazy how accurate. Here's the zone. Look at this. Perfectly. Somebody taking intraday, like super hyper scalping. This is I guess something you can take. Okay, so we have aggressive sellers entering the market. They are winning at the moment. I want to see aggressive buyers entering and getting shit on. And these we have them here. So if they get shit on, I guess that could be something. Maybe a retest of this reload level. And yeah. Oh. Shit, my bad. OF is amazing, and I'm not talking about. Okay, bro. When you wrote OF, I thought about OnlyFans, bro. I was like, what the fuck? I thought you were talking about something else, bro. Aggressive buyers entering. Oof, a push above, we get a squeeze. Oi, oi, oi. I like this for. Hey, yo. Right side, which frame? It's 40 range chart. It's not time frame. It's a 40 range chart. Look at all of this aggression. Are they get? Let's see if they get results. Or is this punching the wall? Okay. Looks like we're gonna break it. Next zone is up here. Yeah. Today is FOMC day. Yeah, today correct. We have FOMC minutes today. Not the normal ones, like some guy said. Try buyers. Sellers. My bad. We also have trap buyers still getting destroyed. Let's see if they can retake this. Or what will happen. Maybe we get the move up into this zone. If we close bullish, I will jump on some buys. And I took profits, right? I can't close the position. Top step doesn't let me close the position. Holy shit, this platform. I took already the trade on the retest. I can't close my position. Hello? Well, this platform is a shit piece of ass. Oh my god. Yeah, okay. It doesn't let me close. Okay, I guess my stop loss is below this level. If it comes back here, I'm stopped out for 24. And I can't drag my... Okay, buddy. My take profit was just above here. But it doesn't... Okay, yeah. I guess. I'm gonna ask you guys. I'm just trying to refresh my thing to fix this shit platform because it's clearly not working. Might on your end, top step is lagging for me. I don't know what the fuck is going on. It doesn't let me. I don't know, man. I was up $50. Now I'm break even. And I aim for a 2-to-1. So $50. This shit. I think I'm gonna get stopped out. Okay, who cares? It's only $32. How top step? Okay, let me see. We close bullish. Yes. In 5 bootcamp, how many trading model he revealed? Quite a lot, bro. Okay. Wait, I got stopped out now on top step, but it hasn't reached the level yet. What the fuck is going on, bro? No, I'm asking where you from. You have such a rush. I'm Serbian, bro. I like the squeeze motherfucker. Yes. How is top step still? No idea, bro. How is still available? Bottom top. Yeah. Might be on your top step. Yeah, I don't know. It took me out and it didn't even reach this level. My stop loss is here and it took me out. Okay, retest was here. Stop loss was here. Something like this. And Yeah, now it will go. Bro, just leave Top Step. You're just wasting time and money. Yeah, it feels like it. Seriously. It did reach on MQ, that's why. But nah, it's I didn't put my stop loss on M and on micro NQ. I put it here, like I had it on this level. So below around 45. It shouldn't have reached it. Bro is about to leave Top Step. Yeah. Nah, it's fine, bro. I'm just trying out this his stuff and so on, so I don't really care, bro. If I lose it off a rhythmic, lose it. Yeah, I have to find another, because I also want to trade on Deepcharts, not like this. It feels like it's not efficient. You have to tab out quick, take the trade fast before it goes, and yeah, quite a lot of shit. The worst part is that this trade is still going. Let's see what happens. Lucy of a rhythmic connection to you can trade in deep. So Lucy is perfect. Yeah, I will look into that, all of that stuff. I think I'm gonna give it like 1 month of trading this, so I become comfortable and I find my model. Then I will get a real account that works with Deepcharts. Can you connect prop firms to Deepchart? Yeah, but not Top Step for some reason. They use their own shitty data feed, and now I had quite a lot of issues with this after the update. I feel like something is, I don't know. I think maybe because this founder account is from the old dashboard, like that shouldn't be an issue though, but I feel like it doesn't work. It's super weird. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, time is 11 past 5. I think I'm done for today. With negative $60. But it's fine. Yeah, tomorrow is not, we don't have trading tomorrow, right? No, we have unemployment claims. Ooh, we might get a good move tomorrow. 2:30. Then we go. Okay, I will live stream tomorrow also, and then we have New Year's on 31st. This session supported by Top Step. Or yeah, I don't know, man. Good shit that I don't trade with a large size. Like I lose 25 and I win 50. I'm gonna bounce to goodbye. Goodbye, bro. See you more. Alright, guys, I'm also done for today. I think I will trade the FOMC minutes and look for something there. Maybe it could be that when I'm streaming, it fucks up something with my Top Step. I don't know. I will try it out. If that's the case, then yeah. I've never had problems like this before. This is the first time I actually gotten it. It's been like this yesterday also. All right, guys. See you, Ryan. See you, Sleep Sheep. Thank you guys for tuning in. See you tomorrow if you guys will join. If not, good luck on your trading. I hope it goes good. All right. Bye bye, guys.